Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yo mamevam asammudho janati पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्ववित् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत। ओम Have no doubt. Now you need to realize and establish the fact in your mind and heart that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the Supreme. Sri Krishna Paramatma is different from all other entities. If you know this fact, you are actually knower of everything. If you know this fact, and that is when you are actually pleasing Sri Krishna Paramatma in every possible way. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I have no doubt. I realize that. I also established the fact in my heart and mind that you are the Supreme. You are different from me and all other entities. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapetakruthyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 307th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Kaliya prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma." Then Krishna Paramatma saying to Kaliya like this, "Oh Kaliya, atra nasteyam tvaya sarpa samudram yahi machiram." Oh Kaliya, immediately you have to start from here. You cannot live here anymore. You take all your wives, your children, and entire your parivaram. Now you have to leave this place along with all of them and go to ocean. From then onwards, this river will be used for cows and all the human beings. Ho Sarpama, Ho Kaliya, now whatever the orders that I am giving you, ya etat samsmaret madanusasanam kirtayan ubhayoh sandhyoh ishmat bhayam na apnuyat. Orders that I am giving to you, those who listens to these orders and those who listens to this entire story that I crushed you, I put you down. This entire story, those who listens to it in both times of the day and those who praises me, they will not have any fear from snakes. They will not have any danger, fear from you. Not only that, O Kaliya, those who does bath in this pond where I crushed you and I did Tandava dance on your hoods. In this place, those who takes bath and does tarpanas to devatas and pitrudevatas with this water, those who listens to this entire story and those who does fasting and praises me, sadamala chittulai durita sanghamubayudurakshanambunan, all of them immediately, instantly, they will get relieved from all kind of sins. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Kaliya and blessing all the worlds. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 19th sloka. Yo mamevamasambudhaha janati purushottamam sa sarvavid bhajati mam sarvabhavena bharata. Yo mamevamasambudhaha janati purushottamam sa sarvavid bhajati mam sarvabhavena bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.